name's Anthony Garefa, and I'm the Senior News Reporter and Smart Device Editor for TweakTown. We're announcing a new section of the site today called Tweakipedia, and I will be mainly involved with that. Tweakipedia is going to be a completely different section of the site to our normal news and reviews, articles and all that kind of stuff. It's going to be centered around doing different things to what we normally would do and having more reader involvement. It'll be more for different benchmarks and guides, so that can be software and hardware guides, that can be overclocking your CPU or memory performance with 1333 or 1600 megahertz DDR3. How does that affect how long it takes to install Windows, or how long it takes to compress a file or to play all the numbers in a game. We will be taking reader submissions, so if you have your own tweak that you want to send in, or your own little modification that you've done to, say, a game or to Windows, a certain tweak that you do, or a certain app that you like to use, and how that affects another thing like games or video editing or anything like that, send it in. We will post it up for you and keep it part of the site. It'll be kind of like our Ask the Experts section. So Ask the Experts will kind of be rolled into Tweakipedia. We'll do more video content, more of this kind of stuff. We've got a couple of PCs here that we can play with in terms of just for starters. We've got a PC that we've built with some parts with the help of ASRock, Sapphire and Corsair. We've got a Z77 Extreme 9 motherboard, a 3770K processor that we can overclock to nearly 5 gigahertz. We've got Corsair SSDs, memory, power supplies, and we've got Sapphire HD7970 video cards. So we can do single, 2 and 3-way crossfire. We've got multiple monitors. I'm a big fan of 120Hz screens, so we'll see a lot more 120Hz content, both in portrait and landscape. And I'll buy some higher end 1440p screens, probably Dell or Samsung screens, so then we can get into some high res 2560 by 1440 at 60Hz benchmarks, and then do single and 3-screen tests with those, again with anti-aliasing and just normal 1440p no anti-aliasing. We'll have those screens in the next couple of months. We'll be working with NVIDIA to try and get some GPUs, so we can do some more NVIDIA content. At the moment we've only got AMD GPUs. We'll try and do some surround vision stuff going into the future. And my Alienware screens are also 3D vision capable, so we can do 3D vision on single screen, and then do 3D vision surround with 3 screens. That should stress out some GPUs. Maybe GTX 680s and Titans will be needed for that. I'm not going to complain if I'm going to get Titans. But the main reason why we're here talking to you now is Tweakipedia is going to be, like I said before, very reader driven. So if you've got anything that you want to send in, if you want to see anything, if we're doing something wrong, tell us. We want to make it so you have a very big word on how Tweakipedia goes into the future. Tweakipedia will be different to everything else that we do, so we might have a look at some storage products and show you how to do a backup from a Mac or a PC, show you how to do an exact build guide step by step through pictures and video on, say, a NAS, like just maybe a 2 or a 4-bay NAS, and have that set up to it shares the content to your network, as well as all the other video card and CPU stuff. So check back every couple of days. We'll have some content, hopefully every day, from either one of us or one of you. Thanks for watching.